Hello and welcome to this new video in which I will unbox this new device. It's a Unity power supply, an all-in-one power supply that you can use in your desk or workbench or in your lab. So stay tuned for the unboxing. Let's get started. So this is the boxing. Let's start by unwrapping this box. So here it is. This is the power supply. Here we have like a user manual, and this is showing us how to use this device. As you can see, UTP 1306. You'll find a link to get it in the description of this video. So let's place this aside, and we have a cable for the power supply. We also have another cable that seems to be stuck underneath. We have a ticket, product identity. So let's get this device out. As you can see, the packaging. And here we have the cable. Now this cable is used to get the voltage from the power supply. As you can see, it has two crocodile clips, and this is our power supply. As you can see, it's a very small power supply. It has more than one mode that I will explain, and as you can see, it has ground, positive and negative. It can export up to 32 volt, 6 amps. Here it is. This is the device, and this is an LCD or a 7-segment display that will show the voltage and the current. A DC power supply, Unity, UTP 1306, and this is the on-off button, and again 3 modes: voltage and current, ground, minus and plus to get the voltage out. It is a very small design, and here you can see that this is the power socket, and it's telling you to verify the power line voltage settings. You can take this away, and this is the fan for cooling. This is the on-off button, and here we have the AC selector. It is set on 220 volts, so it is ready to be used. All what you need is to plug it. As you can see, this is the Unity mark, and that's it. We will make another video on how accurate this power supply is and how to use it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another unboxing.